To my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Hades 2 game crashing, lagging, not launching, not opening, not loading, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. After restarting your PS5, launch the game and check. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beeps sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to check HDMI connection. So you should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on your PS5 first, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Hades 2 game, click on restore, finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to check for game update. Should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available for the game, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Then go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, choose console storage and then tap on delete option. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on our PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Hades 2 game. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings in your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software. Click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Hades 2 game. For that, highlight Hades 2 on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Hades 2 game again to check for the error. Final solution is to contact support. If nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Explain the issue you are coming across and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.